Now I would like to invite the next speaker, Mr. Quazim from University Technology Malaysia on the topic of concept and evaluating our smart city. Mr. Quazim, the screen is yours. Yes, good. Yes, I could, Mr. Quazim.
Hello everyone, best greeting. Qasim Hamad Khurshid Hamad with you. I am consultant engineer and PhD researcher from UTM. I need to show you from systematic literature review what is the concept and evaluating of the smart city. Existing smart city evaluation, analysis, and studies are now in the preliminary phases. In the prior research, a set of smart city framework and smart city models are described. Through our research, we require dealing with the principal question. The principal question is, how is smart city evaluated and conceived? Subject investigated the research that give us a find out the sequence of item and characterize used RStudio, Biblioshani, bibliometric analysis, and VOSViewer. Method we are using systematic literature review. So this search strategy was tailored to database, Scopus, and Web of Science. The search keyword is smart city concept, or smart city evaluation, and included journal, article, conference paper, review paper, or published in English only. So from systematic literature review, at first we find 2,363 articles from Scopus and Web of Science. While applying the systematic literature review and query and some criteria, in the data extraction phases, we selected 26 articles. After assessing each article on the performance, inclusion, and exclusion criteria, used Prisma statement. So meta-analysis reporting result. After we apply the meta-analysis from bibliography, from VOSViewer, from Biblioshani, the first result we see the report is about title content. Through word cloud, by drawing a map that there is a title of the article, interrelationship, and internal connection between smart city concept, smart city evaluation, and smart city application. This gives us a good feedback for our article. We see from the bar chart there is a city concept, there is a city evaluation, and city concept is cities concept. It means all terms have a relationship with our keyword. And the others article included in our article downloaded, but there is other term like city context, city projects, city developments, city applications. But the ratio of the article with our keyword concept and evaluate is higher than the other term. If we make comparison between the titles of article with concept and evaluating, is a higher percent, 72%, than the others article. So it means this give us a good feedback for our research and our result really. The second meta-analysis result is a data set. A three-field plot Sankey diagram of title, abstract, and country of publication. The Sankey diagram gives us a feedback about the title of our article, the abstract of our article, and the country of publication. So we see that and see a high number. The third result from meta-analysis is social structure. The social structure through RStudio using Biblioshani command show the visual representation of the collaboration network between countries and the other country. South Africa with Mexico, Iran with Brazil, they have a good combination between them. So sometimes we say social structure for our article, or we can say sometimes it's co-author or collaboration network between countries. The result from our systematic literature review, we find the smart city concept. It means smart city the city with infrastructure of ICT, information and communication technology, to improve the quality of life, to improve the local economy, to improve the climate, to improve the infrastructure, traffic management, and engagement with the government. This is the concept of smart city from our literature review, from our systematic literature review. So what is the smart city evaluation? The smart city evaluated from the other researcher, from the common framework, common model. We see the first one is Gifner et al. 2007. Gifner, he says the smart city including smart economy, smart governance, smart living, smart citizens, smart environment, and smart mobility. While Global et al. At 2008 says must include 7 dimensions, including the people, business, government, transportation, communication, water, and energy of the city according to the concept of smart city. So there is a other concept. Cargillo and Nitschkamp, they say link it to factors such as city, creative industry, urban environmental sustainability, and understanding public educational level, multimodal information accessibility, and government management, use of ICT. So there is as a concept about the smart city. So Bramber, 2013, evaluated the smart city concept as more than just an application. It is an information and application infrastructure for the city. There are many correlations between urban planning and city growth, such as energy use and telecommunication network. So Russia in 2014 evaluates a smart city that can effectively use technological advancement in multidimensional area to predict, comprehend, freely discuss, and serve a diverse range of actors. Doran and Daniel, 2014, a smart city goal is to integrate 3 major components: economy component, environment component, and social component. While Angelido, 2015, divided the smart city conjecture of four forces: technology push, application pool, urban future, and the knowledge innovation economy. Cohen and Munaz analyzes smart city globally using the urban innovation and sustainable development as a criteria and mention innovative cities, regional green cities, quality of life, digital government. While Adam Nasrawi al-Za'arat, they explain the development of smart city should be a dynamic process in which permanently new solutions will be developed together with politics, administration, and economy, which will then be offered to the citizen or companies of the city. Stephen et al. 2016 integrated social, physical, and situational and digital space in which improve the function of socio-economic activity and the management of physical infrastructure of cities. Result, this study provides guidelines for selecting indicators for smart city evaluation system based on the theoretical consideration of common smart city framework. After that, a common systematic, scalable, and highly practical smart city evaluation method with a 10 major indicators. Social structure, infrastructure, superstructure are covered by the system. The results show that the suggested approach makes it easier to grasp the actual building condition of different smart city around the world compared to the same standard. This article investigated a related smart city assessment method that may be used by various smart city frameworks or a platform evaluation based on shared smart city framework. The conclusion, however, because of this evaluation system in this article focuses on assessing the shareable smart city framework and smart city technology system development, which may leave it vulnerable to evaluating the interaction between human capability and technological system. So if we come back to our result, there's a conclusion. You say smart city structure, okay, we have 4 main structure and we must extract. That's where we have 3 structure, but we must add the social structure. For the smart domain, we have resource domain and service domain. the semantic structure, semantic domain to improve the quality of life, local economy, climate, traffic management. So it means the conclusion, you must have this. As a result, we will combine the evaluation indexes of some element, skill, physical, and geographical aspect in the future study to enhance semantic evaluation and achieve the assessment to the entire semantic development. The suggested method should evaluate additional study in the future to make the system more elastic and better understanding of the actual built-in condition of various semantic. It means for the future, while we try to make a semantic framework, we must come back to a semantic structure. You must have the superstructure, infrastructure, and social structure. Thank you very much. With best regard, I hope is interested for you.
Thanks, Mr. Kazim. It's really a good presentation. So now we can go for some discussion. So now you come to the end of. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now we can come to the end of this session. Thanks to all the three presenters for your nice presentation with valuable inference, and also thanks to the audience for your questions. So now I just hand over this session to Prof. Thieu.
Okay, thanks, Prasanna. Thank all the speakers once again. So we're coming to the end of our section, and we will have around 15